Welcome back to week 7, and we are going to get into project 11, and this is going to be conventional breaks and remove views, and I want you to read that in your textbooks on page 217 and 218 depending on the edition that you have. And if you don't see that on those pages, look that up in your text, because I know we do have some new revisions. Some people have the older, some have the newer revisions, but it's all in there. You're just going to have to look it up, or if you have questions on that, just contact me. On project 11, I want to open this up, and it looks like this. We're going to draw this, and you can see this is in millimeters, and this is an object that's relatively thin and small up around this portion of it, but it's extremely long, 625 millimeters back from the center of this. So what you want to do is on a print, if you're going to print this, and I'm going to go back and look here, we're going to put this on probably, if we put it on A-size paper, let's go ahead and I'll show you that. Here's the drawing I've already got up in Inventor, and you can see this thing. It is really a long piece here, and if you put this on A-size paper and scale this in, it's going to look like this. Let me go in here and do a new print, and then I want to do metric IDW for this one. When I put this in here, if I put this on an A-size paper, it went to base, and first thing I got to do is that part that I was drawing, I need to save it first. I need to save on it. And now I can go in here and open this up, base, and there's that drawing. And the thing of it is, if I put that in there, and let's say for instance, even scale it up just a little bit, if I go to 1/2 or even 1/4, the thing of it is, if I do that, you can see everything, but it's so small that you can't really dimension this accurately. It's hard to see that from that vantage point. So what you do is you edit the view here, and we're going to blow it up. Let's do like 1:1 and see what that looks like. That looks so much better. And all you have to do is just do a break. Okay, so I want to edit that view, change this to 1:1 scale, and then we're going to do a break on this, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'll bring those in there, and I come back in to place views, and there is a break right here. So what I do is just click on my object, click all the way to about right in there, and you see what I'm saying? What it does is it breaks that. So now I can grab it and pull it back over here, and I shortened my part up, and when I put my dimension in, it will be accurate. That way I can see this much more clearer to put dimensions on, and also I can put my dimensions on this back through here, and it would be exactly what it would need to be. And 625, and let's just check that out and make sure, because I think I might have did that wrong on the drawing. Let's go back and look. $625. Oh, it's from the center of this hole, 625. So we can fix that. We can fix that really quick and easy. The beauty about this is, this is 625. If I go back here to part 2, and where I messed up on this, 625, I can edit my feature. So 625 minus, and I need to go in there and look at that drawing again, 625 minus 30, okay? 625 minus 30, then okay. It automatically adjusts, so I hit save, and when I go to part 2, it already updates this, and I can go here and actually I want to just delete off of it, dimension, and make sure to annotate, make sure you put your center marks in here. So click on that, dimension from there to there, 625. And you see where it's got this little long break line right here is showing you that this is cut in the view here. It's broke in a conventional break so that you can actually get all that fitted on this paper. So you'll use those quite a bit, and it's really handy. If you need any help with this, just please contact me.